Good morning, Professor. Today we are going to discuss about the project that we created for our advanced computing concepts. We created a web search engine that is based on Java. These are my team members, and we all have taken different topics and we worked on all these topics. These are the outlines that we are going to discuss in this presentation. First of all, what is our web search engine is based on? So basically our web search engine first runs a web crawler. This web crawler takes all the links connected to all the pages for the website that we have given. Then it converts all these web pages into the text files. Now regular expressions are used for the searching, and it gives the output for in the text files for the searched word, and also gives the number of occurrences of that word in the file along with total running time. It also gives references to the top 10 files from which word occurrence is count. This is our block diagram of our web search engine. First of all, web crawler. What is the role of our web crawler? So basically, what is web crawler? A web crawler is an internet bot that systematically browses the World Wide Web for the purpose of web indexing. It is also called spider or spider bot. It copies pages for processing by search engine, which indexes the downloaded pages so user can search more efficiently. In our project, how we applied this web crawler? So in our project, we used a web crawler developed in Python. We added a particular website link on which we want to perform crawling. What the crawler going to do is start with one page, find all the links on that page, follow them to find other pages, and it will repeat to follow the links on those pages. Eventually, we will have the collection of all the links. These links will be added to a particular text file. This in our project, which is called websites.txt file. Now these files will be used for the further purpose. So now I will hand over to my friend.
Thank you, Jaimin. My name is Soham Patel and I have assigned the task of HTML to text conversion. We store URLs in a website folder which we got from the crawling of different web pages. These URLs need to be converted into text files so we can perform searching. For that, we use the JSON, which is an open source Java library that provides the functionality of Java HTML parsing. JSON implement the HTML specification of URLs and pass HTML to document object model. To find and extract the text from the URLs, we use the DOM traverser that extract the text data from the URLs and store each text file into an input file folder that we used in our searching. JSoup.org mainly provides the scraping of HTML pages, URLs, parsing the data, and manipulation of the URLs. Thank you. And the next topic is regex regular expression, which will be explained by Parth Gandhi.
Thank you, Soham. So, after converting the web pages into text format, the text files have been created. On this text file, we'll be applying two concepts, which are regular expression and ternary search tree. So now, first I want to explain you what is regular expression is. So, regular expression is a regex or is a sequence of characters that defines a search pattern. Usually, search patterns are used by string searching algorithms for finding different strings or replacing a particular strings. So in our project, we have used regular expressions which matches the string that is typed by users and the the string has been searched into the text files that has been generated. So for that we have used regular expressions. Now I'm going to explain you what is ternary search tree. So a ternary search tree is a type of tree where nodes are arranged in a manner similar to binary search tree, but a ternary search tree had three children rather than two, so it gives us better storage efficiency and performance. Thus in our project we have used ternary search tree for spell checking and giving different word suggestions. So now I'm gonna now now I will hand over to Parshwa who will explain what is inverted index.
Hello and good morning. My name is Parshwa Shah, and today I am going to talk about inverted indexes. That why we selected inverted indexes and what are the advantages of it. So far, Parth explained how we used TST and how we create TST. By making use of TST, we can actually create inverted index. So let's first look what inverted index is. It is an index data structure storing a mapping from content such as words in our case to its location in a document or a txt file. In simple words, it is a hash map like data structure that directs you from a word to a document or a web page. A record level inverted index contains a list of reference to documents for each word. For example, when user enters database string to be searched across all the txt file, what inverted index does is it will return the list of files in which the string database is there. So and that list of files will be given as the input to the quick select algorithm. Let's see some advantages why we selected inverted index. It is easy to develop and allow fast full text searches. It is most popular data structure used in document retrieval system used on large scale, for example in search engine, as it is also very important in our search engine. So now I will hand over to Mitul and he would explain what is quick select algorithm.
Thanks, Parshwa. Hello, everyone. My name is Mitul Pranjay, and I am here to discuss about the quick select algorithm. So, quick select uses the same overall approach as quick sort, choosing one element as a pivot and partitioning the data in two based on the pivot, accordingly as less than or greater than the pivot. However, instead of recursing into both sides as in quick sort, quick select only recurses into one side, the side with the element it's searching for. This reduces the average complexity from order of n log n to order of n. Basically, we are using this algorithm to find the top 10 pages by word frequency. Basically, once the input words are matched and we get all the text files containing those words, we apply quicksort to fetch the top 10 files and displaying these as our results. So these are the output files. We have searched the word database and we're getting these 10 text file which contains the input word. There might be other text files containing the word database, but we are only looking for the top 10 results. On the right hand side, we are considering if nothing. So on the right hand side, we are considering if nothing matches the database. In that case, we are using edit distance to fetch the similar words and suggesting the result based on these similar words. Concluding, we created the simple search engine by using different concepts of advanced computing. By using these concepts, we get to know how to use web crawler to get connected links, regular expressions for pattern matching, searching algorithm for getting better results. And finally, below are the references that we have used for our projects. Thank you.